Bitch, I'm fucked up in the head, got some loose screws. Nigga thought I was a lid, it ain't nothing to shoot you. My bitch got me stuck, think this little bitch did some voodoo. If we locked in, then we locked in, I can't switch. Way too solid, I could never change up on my jit. He ain't got no fucking money, but he all up in the mix. Late night with my twin, we gon' creep real low. Make her lay down in the bed, little boy don't need a pillow. And they build with steppers, I don't give a fuck about how you feel. But lately I been rocking out dolo. I ain't tripping about a bitch, I'm living life YOLO. It said that she love me, she is not my hoe though. Finna go and strike, I ain't talking about no photo. I take your bitch and treat her right, I give her pipe. And now they hold on wanna leave. I told her hold up, stay one night, but you cannot just be with me. Get it bread in the night, yeah I get this shit with he. Chop it off, tell my boy, bitch I feel like Pistol Pete. Way that nigga look suspicious, know I got that pistol squeeze. Wait, bitch I'm posted in the trap, got that Glocky on my lap. Niggas mad, they can't get up on the mic because they say like get up out your feelings, why the hell you typing on the app? Meaning Michael let it off, it'll hit him in the count.
Nigga thought I was a lit, it ain't nothing to shoot you. Bitch got me stuck, think that little bitch did some voodoo. If we locked in, I can't switch. Way too solid, I could never change up on my shit.